Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Range Rover Sport. From any screen here onto nav, and you see there up in the top left hand corner you've got destination entry. We click destination entry. We want postcode, that's the easiest, postcode. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatleydale, Preston, PR. The Range Rover is a real easy system. It's defaulted to numbers as well here, so we want 5, 4, and again, some systems, if there's only 2 numbers, you have to put a space in. Not with the Range Rover. It automatically knows. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. That's it there. It's come up. We click OK. That's the destination, route preferences. Destination is nearby after you've clicked it, and it'll give you the opportunity to click go at the bottom, and that's how you do it.